You wake up, look outside. The ground is glass. Not figuratively, actually glass. Every street, every forest floor, every beach replaced by perfectly smooth silicon dioxide. Like someone Control-Z'd the entire surface of the planet and replaced it with a window. Cool, right? Wrong. You've got about 72 hours before things get weird. Here's what kills you. Earth just became a giant mirror. Normal Earth reflects about 30% of sunlight back into space. Dirt, trees, oceans, they're all pretty dark, so they absorb heat. But glass? Glass reflects 90% of visible light. Imagine comparing a black car roof in summer to a mirror. The mirror stays cool because it bounces sunlight away. Now do that to an entire planet. Day 1, temperature drops 15 degrees Celsius globally. Day 7, minus 20 degrees Celsius everywhere. Day 20, the oceans start freezing from the edges inward. You're not dying from heat, you're dying from Earth turning into a giant ice cube. But wait, it gets weirder. Glass doesn't just reflect light, it's also chemically dead. No pores, no gas exchange. Plants need their roots to breathe through soil. Glass doesn't breathe. Every tree on Earth dies in 2 weeks, not from cold, but from root suffocation. But what about oxygen? Good question. We're fine for a while. The atmosphere still has 21% oxygen, and ocean plankton are still photosynthesizing. For now. The problem is CO2. Without soil bacteria breaking down dead plants, atmospheric CO2 drops by 12% in 3 months. Ocean pH spikes, shellfish dissolve, coral dies. The food chain collapses from the bottom up. Humans, 3 months tops. No soil equals no crops. Your grocery store has maybe 90 days of canned food. Then it's over. Okay, so humans are toast. But what's the last thing alive? Marine life near hydrothermal vents, those deep-sea tube worms that eat sulfur. They last about 2 years. They don't care about sunlight. But once the oceans freeze solid around year 5, even they're done. Tardigrades, those microscopic water bears, they'll be fine, frozen in the ice for centuries. But the real survivors are bacteria living 5 kilometers below the glass in Earth's crust. They feed on geothermal heat and radioactive decay. They don't even know the surface exists. They'll be alive for 2 billion years until Earth's core cools and the planet truly dies. Fast forward 10,000 years. Earth is minus 180 degrees Celsius at the surface. The atmosphere is thin and transparent. No clouds, no weather. Just glass, ice, and silence. From space, Earth looks like a chrome ball. Not blue, not green, just a featureless mirror reflecting 90% of sunlight back into the void. But here's the haunting part. At night, without light pollution, without atmospheric haze, the stars reflect off the glass surface like a planetarium floor. The Milky Way appears twice, once above, once below. If you could stand there, you'd see infinity in every direction. And deep below the ice, 5 kilometers down, there's a faint blue glow. Cherenkov radiation from natural uranium decay, the universe's loneliest nightlight. That glow will last for 4.5 billion years. A frozen mirror planet. Silent, beautiful, dead. Still think glass looks cool?